In this video, we'll be learning a quick tutorial on how to add this PC icon to Windows 11 desktop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and find for an option called personalization. Click on it. Here at the personalization settings, please proceed to the third option, which is themes. Click on here. And under the theme settings, you need to proceed to related settings where you can find two options. Please proceed to desktop icon settings. Click on it. Afterwards, you'd be able to open a window where here you'd be able to open or see the desktop icon settings, desktop icons, as well as the icon here or the image. Okay. So by that, all you need to do is you need to close the settings so that we can focus on this one. So in order to add this PC here to the desktop, all you need to do is you need to check the computer here, check the box, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, you'll be able to add this PC here in your Windows 11. Okay? Or you can simply make a right click here at the blank space of your desktop. Please navigate to personalize. Click on that one. Once you click on it, navigate the same way. Go with your themes. Click on here. And then from that, proceed to related settings or desktop icon settings. Click on that one. And from that, just have to close the settings again. And then here, check the box for computer, click on apply and then click on OK. In that way, you'd be able to add this PC here at your desktop. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.